Hey guys, in this project I made this RFID based door lock system that opens only when you tap on the register tag. To build this project you need few 3D printed things. I have mentioned file for all of these components in the description box below. 3D printed thing holds the servo and helps in sliding the lock stick. For the circuit, we need RFID board, Uno, servo, LED and few jumper wires. For the circuit, you can refer this circuit diagram. After you have done with the circuit, we have to upload the code. Here is a little step you have to follow while you are uploading the code. Each tag has different ID. Now you have to enter your tag ID in this code. To register your tag, all you have to do is upload this code first. Copy and paste this ID here and re-upload the code again. Now you can test the circuit. If everything is fine, when you tap on the register tag, the micro servo should move. Now I have installed all these electronics on this 3D printed enclosure. To demonstrate the working, I have two sets of tag here. One is registered, that serves as a key, and the other is not registered. As you can see, upon tapping the key on scanner, the green LED glows and the servo moves, which in turn can lock and unlock the door. That was all about this project. If you have any question, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.